UPSC is a comprehensive and country's toughest examination. This examination requires regular updation of current affairs and data, which is essential for your preparation or to crack the center level examination, whether it's UPSC, banking, semi-government, or any other examination in the country. My name is Kaval Singh, and today I'm here to discuss about the UPSC age relaxation clause extended to the domicile of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir has seen a period of conflict, a conflict unique to the political history of Jammu and Kashmir. In order to compensate the years lost to conflict, disturbance, violence, and demographic expansion, in 1995, Government of India provided an age relaxation clause to the candidates born between 1980 to 1989, when Jammu and Kashmir saw the worst phase of conflict. This age relaxation clause would have expired on its own in the year 2026, but the decision by the central government to untimely scrap the age relaxation clause is very unfortunate and is a disappointment to thousands of youth preparing for central level examination. It has come at a time when the situation in Jammu and Kashmir is not normal. UPSC is a comprehensive and country's toughest examination. This examination requires regular updation of current affairs and data, which is essential for your preparation or to crack the center level examination, whether it's UPSC, banking, semi-government, or any other examination in the country. The worst affected in that period of conflict was the Kashmiri Pandit community. And many of my friends have shown resentment on the recent decision by the central government to scrap the age relaxation clause. This was the only benefit extended to Kashmiri Pandit community to all those students preparing for the central level examination. Many candidates born between 1980 and 1989 are still to make use of UPSC age relaxation clause, and thus scrapping it abruptly will disrupt the process of rehabilitation and integration. The age relaxation clause is not based on caste, creed, and religion, but is based on certain circumstances which are part of Jammu and Kashmir's history of conflict. Despite all odds making use of age relaxation clause, students living in the border tehsils and districts like Poonch and Mender have qualified the prestigious UPSC examination. The aspirants have shown resentment that how the government can take such incomprehensive decision in such an unfavorable situation. The unemployment rate in Jammu and Kashmir is alarming. More than 3 to 4 lakh PG scholars are unemployed. Many examination results are still pending. In such a scenario, how can you expect a candidate living in far-flung areas of Poonch, Rajouri to compete in center-level examination where you have taken away all the benefits and provisions extended to the youth of Jammu and Kashmir? The basic underlying argument for scrapping the age relaxation clause was that the situation in Jammu and Kashmir is now normal. But the same candidates, when asked for restoration of internet services, the governments come up with the argument that the situation is not normal in Jammu and Kashmir. Such statements and fallacies have pushed the youth of Jammu and Kashmir to a state of disconcertment. When thousands of youths are sitting in library preparing for the center level and UPSC examination, the center's decision to scrap the age relaxation clause has put their future to doldrums. The youth of Jammu and Kashmir has been running from pillar to post, demanding the restoration of age relaxation clause. Many of them opted for clerical jobs to have economical sustenance so that they can prepare for central level and UPSC examination in their later part of life. With frequent ceasefire violation and cross-border escalation, how can you expect a candidate living across LOC to suddenly compete for center level examination, and that too without age relaxation clause? We cannot compare our education system and our education standard with the rest of the country, where from other states every day new satellites and new projects are launched. Here in Jammu and Kashmir, mortar shells are launched across LOC. By mere positive statements, nothing will change. it has to be followed by positive steps. Whenever any political dispensation draws out their national policies, issues concerning the youth are always a miss. We are in a disadvantaged stage and aspire to compete in the center level examination. Age relaxation clause will not give us any reservation quota, but will give us an opportunity to compete with the rest of the country. I request the central government to restore the age relaxation clause to the domicile of Jammu and Kashmir and give them an opportunity to compete at the center level. Thank you.